Alright, now before I go ahead and start off this video, I just want to let you know that you do have the ability to get 60 days free ShopiMetrics access for your particular stores, so you can go ahead and integrate everything and create reports and see what's going on inside of your store, stuff that Shopify doesn't give you as well. So please integrate your accounts, set up my integrations, okay, and also there's a link right down below this video. Shopify store, connect to store. So it's going to be Vivir Smile, so vivirsmile.com. All right, and let me just make sure. Here we go. Install app. All right, Shopify account now integrated. Now if you take a look, Vivir Smile as well is right down here. Now Facebook, if we have a Facebook account, which we're going to, this Facebook account's already connected, so it's going to go ahead and connect your Facebook account inside of ShopiMetrics. Now I'm gonna have to go in here and kind of reconnect it manually, but what it's going to do is it's going to talk together. So ShopiMetrics is going to be talking with Facebook, and what's going to happen is it's going to say, okay, this product spent $45 and it generated let's just say 300 in sales, your product cost is X, Y, and Z, etc. So take a look at this. If you have a new report, right, what you're going to be able to do is run reports based on products inside of your store. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any products inside of my stores. But what's going to happen is once you have products inside of your stores, you're going to be able to input all of the costs of the product, how much you're paying for it, etc. And then it's going to run your reports for you automatically. Now, here's the really cool part about ShopiMetrics as well, is that it allows you to have an entire calculator to allow you to understand where your product pricing should be at. So cost per unit, let's say you're paying $1.15 for every single one of these products. Product packaging, let's say it's 80 cents for e-packet. All right, and credit card processing 2.9. It's 30 cents plus 2.9%. All right, so 2.9%. Shipping fulfillment fee, none of that, since it's all drop shipping. Your total cost per unit is actually $2.31, or 32 cents right over here. Now, potential selling price, you want it at $4.99, and let's just go ahead and look at shipping revenue, right? So shipping revenue, let's just say we're charging people, let's just say it's free shipping, all right? So over here we have margin percentage, which is, again, our actual profit margins, $2.67, and our margin percentage is around 53%. So we have a lot of wiggle room that we can, play around in over here. Even if we sold it at $3.99, we still have a 41% margin with a $1.67 profit, and it'll really go out there and help you understand where you can price your products. Because let's just say your advertising cost per unit. Let's say that your cost for every single sale is just $6 flat, or not $6.99, $6 flat, right? If you're selling it for $3.99, your total cost per unit at that point is around $8.49. So your potential selling price is going to be, let's just say $12.99, and now you have a 34% markup, or even $14.99, you have a 43% markup for your particular profit margin over here, where it's $6.50 for every single unit you sell. So again, the calculator really, really helps, especially when you have an idea of how much your particular cost per sale is. So if you've had like 200 sales in your particular Facebook account, and you've paid X, Y, and Z amount for those sales, let's say you have 100 sales and you paid $1,000, or say you paid $700 for 100 sales, that means you're an average of $7 a sale, so you would input it into the calculator. And then you can run an entire store report. So Vivir Smiles, select the store, and then it would go ahead and, well, first off, you'd actually need to go ahead and add products and whatnot. So let me just show you an example what happens if we add products to our particular store, right? So I'm going to add a quick product over here. I'm going to call this ShopiMetrics test, and I'm going to just label this $9.99. All right, just so I can have a quick product inside of here. All right, and it'll go ahead and pretty much pull all the data from it again. Connected, good. All right, so there we go. Hang on, let's go right back over here. All right, cool. ShopiMetrics test. Now, if you click Add New, all right, Shopee test, select a store. Just showing you exactly what happens in here. ShopiMetrics test. And then what happens is this particular product, what's the total cost from the distributor? So how much are you paying for this particular product? $2.19. Are there any e-packet extra costs? Maybe, yeah, maybe 75 cents, right? Do you have any added packaging costs? Nope. Standard delivery or shipping costs? Nope. Credit card processing, around 30 cents plus 2.9%, all right? And you can apply Facebook conversions again, I didn't link up my account just yet, but you can apply Facebook conversion. It'll go into your account. You can select the ad account, you can select the campaign, and you can select the ad set. And you can even keep adding more and more if you want to keep tracking different campaigns. So if you want to apply the Google AdWords conversion as well, that's an option for you if you're running Google AdWords. However, let's just say you want a desired profit margin of 30% on this particular product. You can set it inside of ShopiMetrics to run a 30%, and then just click Complete My Advisor Report. And then it would actually show you, okay, if you go into My Reports, it'll show you this once it's generating and if you have sales and whatnot. So if I go and add a store report, it'll actually, it'll actually go out there and go and there we go. And it have an entire store report as well, total sales, etc. But again, where the real power comes in is where it actually tracks everything for you automatically and gives you your real numbers, all right? So again, that's what you have to keep in mind is that analytics is super, super important. This is going to spit out if your campaigns are actually profitable or not. So what does that mean is you don't need to dive deep and do all these type of different research techniques inside of your Facebook ads account when we talk about Facebook and start writing everything down on pen and paper. ShopiMetrics actually does it all for you, which again is more so of a shortcut and more so of a time saver than anything else, which is why I recommend ShopiMetrics. And if you want a 60-day free trial, there's a link down below for you to have a 60-day free trial. It's completely up to you. All right. So again, is it needed? No, it's not 100% needed. Do I recommend it? Yes. As you scale up your store, I definitely recommend having ShopiMetrics and Google Analytics installed. ShopiMetrics is going to talk to Facebook, and instead of going through all your data, trying to sort through everything, this is just going to tell you in literally 2 columns, how many sales. If it's red, right, it's negative. If it's not red, if it's green, that means it's positive. The campaign is running, and you can track it every single day. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and let you decide if you want to use ShopiMetrics yourself, but I guess this is pretty much it for this particular video, and I'll see you in the next one.